So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send posts anonymously on Facebook group. Before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, go to your Facebook app and open the group you want to send the post. Let's go to any group and like you can tell any group like that, visit it. See here you can see an option of anonymous post. Click on the anonymous post. Here you can see you can post photos, videos. You can also click the picture and post. You can also add locations. You can also add GIF. You can add polls, anything anonymously. But remember one thing, your name and profile pic won't be visible to any member of the group except the moderator, and it will also be visible to Facebook admin too. But it will be hidden from all the users who is in the group or who will join the group. You will be anonymous to them. Your profile pic, your name won't be visible to them. You can write anything you want. Just make sure that participate anonymously is turned on. Click on the post and you're good to go. This much only for today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.